Hello everyone, I'm going to be going over homework number 8, number 23. The test is made of h0, colon, u equals 55, versus h1, colon, u is greater than 55. A sample size of n equals 68 is drawn, and a sample mean, x, is equal to 56. The population standard deviation is 27. Compute the value of the test statistic z. So let's go over to the whiteboard. As said, at number 23, we're finding the test statistic, or z. Now, the way we're going to be finding z is using this formula. Z is equal to the sample mean minus u divided by the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. So, with that out of the way, let's write down what we know. We know that the first one, null hypothesis, u is equal to 55. We know that the second one, alternative hypothesis, is u greater than 55. Next up, we have n equals 68, a standard deviation of 27, and lastly, the sample mean equals 56. Now with that out of the way, we kind of have everything we need, and what we're going to do now is just move on to the next step. So as said before, we're going to be finding z using this formula. Now, I just rewrote everything. N, 68, standard deviation 27, x, 56. Over here, we're going to be using top one's h0's u equals 55, because this clearly says u is equal to 55. So when we put everything in together, it's going to look something like this. 56 minus 55 divided by 27 divided by the square root of 68. So once we do the top part, it's going to look like 1 divided by 27 divided by the square root of 68. Now with that whole thing done, it's going to equal to z equals 0.3054 with some more numbers behind it represented as dots. Now, as shown in the homework, number 23, it gives us one whole number and 2 decimal places. So we're going to do the same. And one more step I'm going to do is I'm going to round this place right here. And our new z is going to be equal to 0.31, which is d. And that is how we got number 23.